Where can you find a burger inspired by flavors from near and far that mixes the smoky with the sass of the South? Combines the sweetness of summer with the tang of the country for savory, sizzling, unexpected flavors. Well, you can find it at McDonald's.
The following message is transmit at the request of the Washington state government. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. At the 3 p.m. there have been various detections of mysterious unidentified flying objects. These objects are not human constructions and could be dangerous for humans. In this case you have to stay at home and close all doors and windows. All non-essential activities will be closed in time undetermined. We don't know if these objects are hostile or not, so take these measures as a precaution. Martial law has been declared. All ports, airports and roads have been closed for military use. Martial law will go into effect at 6 p.m. If you are seen outside after this time you will meet lethal force and you will be considered enemy of the state. Thank you for your cooperation.